Hello, let me show you how to crochet this very easy Christmas coaster. I am using cotton yarn in these colors, double knit. Feel free to use acrylic or anything you have at hand. And I'm using my 3.5mm hook. Start with a slip knot and the chain 6. Then slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Chain 1, and then single crochet 9 times into the ring. Slip stitch to the first stitch created to finish this round. For the second round, chain 5, this will count as 1 double crochet and a chain 2. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and then a chain 2, and then another double crochet in the next stitch, and the chain 2, and repeat this 7 more times. Finish this round with a slip stitch in the third chain from those 5 at the start. Fasten off this yarn and cut it. In the same place where we finished the last round, meaning here in this stitch, we will join the new color with a slip knot, pull it through, and chain 3. This will count as 1 double crochet. Next, double crochet 2 times in this chain space here. Then 1 double crochet in this stitch. And then repeat 2 double crochet in the chain space, and 1 double crochet in the stitch. Repeat until the end of this round. To end this row, after you do the last 2 double crochets in the chain space, again slip stitch to the third chain from the top 3 when you started the round. fasten off this as well, because we'll add another color. Next round, we will join the new color again where we finished the last. So in that stitch, join with a slip knot and pull the yarn through, chain 3. This will count as a double crochet. And now in next stitch you will do 2 double crochets. Work a double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 double crochets in the next. And continue this pattern, 1 double, 2 double, 1 double, 2 double, until the end of the row. After the last 2 double crochets in the same stitch, to end the round, again we will slip stitch to the 3rd chain from the start. For the last round, we are going to skip the 1st stitch and then half double crochet 5 times in the next one. Skip the next stitch and then slip stitch in the next one. And this is how it's gonna look, our nice wavy edge. Again, skip 1, half double crochet 5 times in the next one. Skip next stitch, slip stitch in the next one. And continue doing this until the end of this round. You can always change colors. You can fasten off the green and change to a white border or a red one or a completely new color. It's up to you to make them as unique as you like. After the last slip stitch, work another slip stitch here where you started the chain in the beginning. And then fasten off the yarn. I would like to mention that if you do choose to use acrylic yarn and it's 100% acrylic, make sure you don't put hot drinks on top of it, because it might stick or it might actually melt the acrylic. So use cotton or a blend of acrylic and cotton or something similar, or use cold drinks. This is the finished product. You can go ahead and block it if you want it to be a bit more stiff. If not, it's all ready and you can use it as it is. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.